po.
Morning po.
Morning
Good
po.
morning, Doc.
Good morning. Bakit merong behave?
Morning po. Morning po.
Eh, behave naman kayong lahat, di ba?
Sana po.
Hindi tayo sure.
Sabi. Okay, so good morning. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Today we are going to to discuss the coverage of the WCE. Lahat naman kayo, I think, nagdaan sa sa syllabus that I've created. So mabilis lang ito, and then you let me know if you have questions. Okay, the coverage will be following what we have discussed. This is tama ba? This is advanced marketing.
Yes.
WCE, right? Okay, so if you remember, we covered in our discussion yung strategic marketing. We'll cover that topic, and then yung topic ng marketing analytics, and then of course yung global marketing and advertising in that context also for advanced marketing, and then yung essentials of digital marketing, we'll also cover that. I hope na sa inyo pa yung mga PowerPoint presentations na na-create ng inyong DPA mates before, no? Please let me know, did all of you who are present here who will be taking this WCE next, lahat ba kayo na-include yung topic ng qualitative research for marketing? Nakasama ba kayo doon sa syllabus na yun, or you were part of the batch na hindi ko siya naisama? Qualitative research and marketing management, yung pag-interpret natin ng mga research projects using qualitative methods, na hindi.
Sa akin to hindi pa po.
Hindi pa. Okay. Sige. So we won't include that muna, na. Kasi the syllabus that I'm using is evolving. Na? Medyo inaanggulo ko siya doon sa development ng practice ng marketing. Especially kasi nagkaroon kami ng discussions ngayon that the university wants to be PASCO accredited. So talagang kailangan, we were told the other day na our level of questioning, and the reason I'm saying this ay dahil most likely sa inyo mag-uumpisa, no? Dahil we were now told to document everything. So yung output ng WCE ninyo, we will have to submit that as an evidence, no? Part of the evidence that will be used by PASCO for accreditation. So, medyo babaguhin ko yung approach. It will be more similar. It will still be similar, basically, doon sa approach natin ng midterms. If you remember that there will be several questions, you will choose from those questions. Kaya lang, what I will be looking for would be your practice. No? The application of the concept in your practice. So you are still free, of course, to cite RRLs now in your discussion. However, I would that when you do that, you would either demonstrate convergence or divergence into your own industry. Kasi this is now DBA. Now we're not in the MBA anymore, no, where you would say, pareho kami na nangyayari doon sa sinasabi ni Porters, for example, no, kanyan, no. Pero in here, we would like now to see a higher level of analysis, no, and advanced critical thinking level, because this is DBA, and kaya nga alam niyo, pati yung magiging approach, medyo babaguhin ko din kasi medyo naging mas book reference yung naging approach, kasi the idea there is you expand the authors and the books that you are able to read about, then of course, from there naman, nakita ko naman nung nagdi-discuss kayo that you are able to validate it or to critique it against your practice or experience, which is also good because you are able to by force, kasi kinakailangan nyo i-report, no? Read the book. And in a way, in your encounter with the book, marami din naman kayong mga realizations. So, kasi nga, practitioners naman na kayo, hindi naman na kayo students lang. So, that was the context that I was ringing in my mind. But now, with the PASCO accreditation, they would like the discussions to be more evidence-based, no? The students leading the discussion in the classroom, less of the facilitators talking, more of the students engaging. So in our WCE, kasi una kayo, you will be the first batch na gagamitin naming evidence. Yung inyong WCE output kasi required siya, no? Isa siya sa tinitingnan as an evidence of the outcomes-based education. Lumabas ba? Kaya same questions in our WC is similar to, not the same question, but the same approach that we did in our midterms. Pero your way of responding, your answering, ang masahanapin ko ngayon is your practice, no? Yung naging experience ninyo, no? And then tsaka nyo ipapasok yung RRL, no? To then demonstrate convergence or divergence of those RRL with your actual practice. Kasi your actual practice is industry-based. No? Mas makatotohanan yon in your world. No? In your world. So, ganun pa din. No? So as I've said, we will cover yung topic natin ng strategic marketing. And then we will include yung marketing analytics, yung digital marketing, no, na pinag-usapan natin last time. So sige, hindi ko na muna isasama yung qualitative research kasi hindi, may mga parts pala na hindi kayo na isama, no. Services marketing, we did all cover that, right? Lahat kayo in the modules that we have discussed. Services and service blueprint. Lahat ba kayo na cover natin yon?
Yes po.
Yeah. Yung sa inyo, Andrea, kasi I think yung sa inyo yung pinakahuli kong ginamit na syllabus na medyo binago ko after. Probably, I don't know if during your batch yan or after your batch, kaya ko vina-validate.
I don't think so, Doc. Kasi I started po 2024 September.
When you did advanced marketing with me. Okay. Sige, siguro ano na lang, kaya nyo naman to. Kasi you're also in, di ba, Andrea, if I remember, in security, tama ba?
Yes.
Right. So service. Try mo na lang na mag-read up on it. No? Baka may magustuhan ka doon. Anyway, ganun pa din naman. No? You choose 5 questions out of probably 15. I will put up 15 questions and then you, masyado yata madami yun. 10. Now, 10 questions and then you choose which one. You just try to read up on service blueprint and services marketing. And then, yung diagnosing readiness of the organization, did we cover that for everyone? Lahat kayo na although, if not, I'm sure you've done OD, right? Organization development as a subject sa DBE program. May OD kayo, no, na subject na tinake? Wala din. That's a very nice subject. No?
College
Sayang.
po.
Sa college. Hindi dito sa DBA program.
Wala po, Doc.
Wala. Because we had one. No? And I found it really hanggang ngayon. Yun ay isang subject na hindi ko makalimutan talaga. Kasi we used our company as the ng buong class. No? Yan ang ginamit na na specimen to run an OT. So talagang pinaalis ako, di ba, sa mga meetings. They're not allowed here. Kasi dapat free ang mga tao magsalita, ganyan. No? Very nice. Sige, so we won't include that na lang muna, no? And anyway, for those topics, medyo malawak na yon, no? Marami nang pwedeng panggalingan ng questions doon. So we'll end probably until services marketing, no? And so the same thing, no? We will cover, the topics will be more case, no? And as I've said, it would be better if you would speak your own voice. I would respect that, no? Your own language, your own voice in your own industry. That's how you will respond to the question, no? Para kasi ang isa pang kailangan lagyan namin na evidence is hindi nyo siya in AI, no? Kayo talaga yon, no? Sagot nyo talaga yon. So medyo ngayon naman medyo kapa na namin pag in AI ay naka artificial intelligence siya, no? Kasi medyo mahabang panahon na rin. So that's why I'm saying, speak from your own voice, from your own experience, from your own cases and examples. That would be much better. Of course, you are free to insert, organizational scholars, marketing scholars, from what they said, and that's why I'm saying, if you put them into the discussion, please do an analytics in a way that you will say there is convergence or divergence from your actual experience. Now, DBA naman na ito, so you are free to critique models. Now, you are free to antagonize, okay? Because your experience speak differently now from what the authors are saying. Mas exciting nga yun di ba? Kasi kahit kayo, nakakabuo kayo ngayon ng mga bagong mindset. And in the doctoral program kasi, creation is expected. We are really expected to create something new. Na hindi lang validation of a model or a technique. Kaya yung dissertation nyo nga, you are actually required at the end of your writing ng dissertation to present a new model. No? Sabi mo, ganito, ganyan in the discussion. Therefore, you will now present something new as a model for that particular dissertation topic that you covered. Ganyan. So, I would really wish to see in your output new ways of thinking, maybe. But, of course, don't manufacture, yung based on your experience, manufacture, don't fabricate, And kung ano yung naranasan ninyo, based on that question. Yun lang siguro. So those are the key topics that we will cover. Paano ba? Lahat naman kayo dito really did perform very well in our class. So that's why I'm very, very highly confident that you will be able to navigate through this WC for marketing very, very well. So speak from your voice, from your experience, cite in RRLs, describe whether they are converging or diverging with your experience, and then from there you can say your own piece, okay? And I will listen, okay? Yun lang siguro, unless may mga questions kayo, Kasi kabisado nyo naman. So ngayon, naiintindihan nyo na ba't gano'n yung midterms natin? Because I'm preparing you for the WCE. Kaya gano'n siya. So it will be the same approach para hindi na kayo manibago. At hindi nyo na problemahin ano kayang approach ang gagawin. So it's basically the same thing.
No question.
Yes po.
May minimum number of words po per...
No, you can speak freely. No? And anyway, I think bibigyan natin yan ng ano bang ginawa natin ng midterms? How long did we do that? Kaya lang pala kasi we are required to submit the grades immediately for the WCE kasi nga baka some of you are graduating hindi graduating, sorry, are about to write your dissertation papers now. Kaya I think we only have like 1 week. So kasi may kinalaman yan if I'm telling you to write a no limit in terms of words. I mean, you can express yourself. So you may need a little more time now into writing and answering. So siguro, if that's going to be done on a Sunday, you can submit until Wednesday. Will that be good enough? Na time for you, so you can speak freely and explain na hindi kayo nagmamadali. Yeah. Okay, so
So, Doc, we don't have to submit at the end of the 2-hour duration of the actual group.
I'll double check muna with the office if that is allowed, kasi baka ayaw ka namang baka yung iba ganun yung ruling, and then tayo may iba, patay ako doon. So I'll double check with the office. If not allowed, then we'll stick with the 2-hour thing. Pagka 2 hours, then just limit your answers, kasi baka hindi nyo rin matapos, no? And then the key point talaga doon is, as I'm saying now, your practice, your experience, convergence and divergence with RRL. Yun lang naman yung hahanapin ko primarily, kasi you've demonstrated naman na a very high level of skill during our class discussions. Ito lang naman is just for you to recall the concept, so that when you start writing and developing your topics, you have them in mind, para mas maging malawak yung mga choices ninyo. Although I think in our class, I already forced you to think specifically of some topics, di ba? Based on our discussions. So, yun lang. Now, kapag the office says, no, stick within 2 hours because that's standard for all subjects, then just go straight to the point na into your discussion. Aware naman kami na pag ganyan talagang limited lang. That's why out of the 10 questions, you are only to choose 5 that are your faves. Mga favorite ninyo, na mga sagutan. Okay. Any other questions that you might have?
Sir, may prescribed na preference po kayo for services marketing and services blueprint?
The one by Parusaraman is nice because that's a little bit older, but that's more classic na discussion. And if you want, I think there's in our syllabus, nilagyan ko yan ng reference book that is more a focus on Asia. Now, if your company, so there's services marketing in Asia na book. You can search for that. I think yun yung closest na to us. Kasi pag services, may culture yan eh. So, mahirap na i-globalize. No? Pero meron din globalized components of services. Kasi ang airlines nga global, di ba? Hotel too, hotel chains. So, pero more of Asia para mas specific to our own context. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so I think that's it. No? I'm not gonna keep you long kasi pag nagdi-discuss tayo, very long na. Itong WCE ay maiksi lang naman. Okay? I am very, very highly confident looking at all of you, you can really ace it. Okay. Sige.
Thank you, Doc.
Okay. Thank you. God bless you all.
God bless po, Doc.
See you soon on the stage. Okay? On the stage.
Say lang, no?
Sige. Thank you. I'll leave the room na ha. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc.
Okay, sige. Bye-bye.
Divergence, convergence, big word. Hanggang ngayon, stop pa din, ano? Si Doc Manawis may motivation.
Pero at least madali yun na, kasi alam mo na kung anong gagawin natin. So siguro ngayon pa lang mag-download na tayo ng mga articles regarding the topics. So meron ka ng basis ng RRL. And then pag convergence naman, it's either you agree or disagree based on the RRL and based on your experience. So pwede ka na mag-prepare. Kaya natin ito.
You can already draft kung mag-agree ka or not per specific topic that he presented based on your experience or industry.
Parang pwede na tayo mag-out, no? Kasi ang next natin is 12 to 1. Tama?
Ah, hindi ba siya tuloy-tuloy? Check. Tama, may vacant tayo 1 hour.
Pipilikan tayo ng 1 hour, 11 to 12.
Kasi
So, ito na yun, pwede na tayo.
Ito po yata sa kabila. Nasa NBA siya.
Ano pa? So, magkita-kita tayo ng 12. Sino gagawa po ng GC?
Yan ang maganda dyan.
Gawa tayo GC.
Sir Iyo, thank you po.
Ah, sige. Si hindi ko friend si Doc Andrea
All
eh.
pointing to the same direction. Oops!
Si Doc Andrea. I-add po siya ni Doc
At
Eric.
Sige po. I-create ko.
sige. Salamat. See you later po, guys.
Thank you.
Sige
Okay.
po.
Yung mga Doc.
Bye.
Doc,
Bye,
yung mga
Doc.
Doc. Ikaw na bahala. Doc Neo, may laro ko mamaya.
May laro ka?
Oo, pero yung